One slip from your hand could cost a fortune, but not if you're protected. Today, we're diving into the top 6 rugged and shockproof cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025. Welcome to the channel. Explore smarter protection and grab yours through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Temdan military grade shockproof. Imagine dropping your iPhone on concrete and picking it up without a scratch. That's the kind of confidence the Temdan shockproof case delivers. Designed with military-grade protection, reinforced air cushion corners, and a tough PC backplate, it acts like armor, absorbing shocks and preventing cracks from life's unexpected slips. The built-in 360 DG rotating stand adds a layer of convenience, giving you hands-free comfort for streaming, video calls, or scrolling at any angle. Strong integrated magnets make it compatible with car mounts and other magnetic surfaces, turning everyday multitasking into a breeze. While it's bulkier than slim profile cases, that added size translates directly into peace of mind. You know your phone is truly shielded. Compared to lighter alternatives in the 2025 lineup, Temdan focuses on all-around toughness without compromising usability. For users who prioritize durability, versatility, and functional design, this case stands out as a smart, dependable choice that protects your iPhone while fitting seamlessly into daily life. At number 5 is CASEKOO 360 Spin Magnetic Protective. When it comes to rugged cases, Temdan and CASEKOO stand out by taking very different approaches, yet both tackle the same problem: protection without losing convenience. The Temdan shockproof case leans on brute strength, offering military-grade durability with reinforced corners and a rotating stand that adds everyday practicality for hands-free use. It's built for those who prioritize drop resistance above all else, giving peace of mind in a slightly bulkier form. Meanwhile, the CASEKOO 360 Spin Magnetic raises the bar with its innovative Magic Stand design, refined ergonomics, and stronger magnets for seamless MagSafe use and reliable attachment to mounts. It feels more premium, sleek, and versatile, ideal for users who want function with a polished edge. Temdan wins on affordability and rugged toughness, while CASEKOO shines with advanced features at a higher price. In the 2025 lineup, both are excellent picks. Your choice depends on whether you value budget-friendly durability or premium versatility. At number 4 is Dexnor MagSafe Shockproof. Powerful phones deserve equally powerful protection, and the Dexnor MagSafe Shockproof case delivers it with authority. Engineered with a dual-layer frame and reinforced corners, it absorbs shocks and drops with true military-grade confidence, ensuring your iPhone stays safe even in rough conditions. The magnetic grip is notably strong, keeping your device securely attached to MagSafe chargers and mounts. No slipping, even on bumpy car routes. A clever flip camera cover adds privacy while shielding the lenses from scratches, and the built-in metal kickstand transforms the case into a hands-free stand for streaming, calls, or browsing at any angle. Compared to the sleeker CASEKOO 360 Spin Magnetic, Dexnor trades some slimness for extra bulk, but that added size translates directly into more aggressive protection. For users who prioritize durability and functional extras, this case strikes the perfect balance of toughness and practicality, making it a reliable, confidence-boosting choice in the 2025 lineup. The third one on our list is ESR MagSafe Rugged. Sometimes the toughest armor comes with the smartest design, and that's exactly what the ESR MagSafe Rugged case delivers. Built with a triple-layer construction and drop resistance tested to extreme heights, it provides serious military-grade protection without turning your iPhone into a bulky brick. The powerful magnetic lock ensures flawless MagSafe charging and keeps wallets, mounts, and other accessories securely attached, eliminating the frustration of weak or unstable connections. Its grip-friendly texture offers a comfortable non-slip feel in the hand, while precise cutouts make every button and port easily accessible. Compared to the CASEKOO 360 Spin Magnetic ESR, feels less flashy and more straightforward. Focus purely on durability and reliability rather than flashy add-ons. Yet that simplicity makes it incredibly dependable. For users who value peace of mind, rugged build quality, and consistently strong MagSafe performance, the ESR MagSafe Rugged strikes the perfect balance between protection and practicality, making it a smart, confidence-boosting choice in the 2025 lineup. And number 2 is UAG MagSafe Protective. Some cases promise rugged protection but sacrifice practicality. The UAG MagSafe Protective case proves you don't have to compromise. Engineered with a featherlight design, yet tested for up to 15-foot drop protection, it shields your iPhone from serious impact while staying slim enough to slip easily into a pocket. The textured traction grip reduces slips, giving you everyday security against those sudden, costly drops. Built-in MagSafe magnets lock firmly onto chargers and accessories, solving the common problem of weak or unreliable connections. Despite its toughness, the case feels surprisingly lightweight, making it ideal for daily carry without bulk. Compared to the CASEKOO 360 spin magnetic, UEG keeps things minimal, no flashy extras, just streamlined durability with a focus on comfort and performance. For users with active, on-the-go lifestyles, it strikes a perfect balance of rugged protection and portability, delivering confidence in every use. Strong, sleek, and practical, this case makes rugged style finally pocket-friendly. Now, moving to the last one is TORRAS Stronger Magnetic Shockproof. Strength doesn't have to mean bulk, and the TORRAS Stronger Magnetic Shockproof case proves it brilliantly. Built with 38 upgraded magnets, it delivers an impressively strong MagSafe connection, keeping chargers, wallets, and car mounts securely locked in place. Far more reliable than ordinary rugged cases, the advanced 4th-gen X-Hawk technology combined with 360 DG airbags gives this case true military-grade drop protection, absorbing impacts from every angle while keeping your iPhone safe from cracks or dents. Raised bezels around the screen and camera add an extra shield against scratches and everyday bumps, ensuring full coverage protection. Despite its toughness, the case remains slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, avoiding the bulky feel of many rugged alternatives. Compared to the CASEKOO 360 spin magnetic, TORRAS leans more into raw durability and smart practicality, making it a perfect fit for users who demand rugged strength without sacrificing daily comfort. For style, safety, and peace of mind, it's a standout choice in 2025. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.